We take on a lot of different matters that implicate free speech in Ohio.
That can take many forms. Your right to speak free of government interference relates to not only government trying to assert their power over you, say an arrest or something like that, where there might be a First Amendment defense. It can also be private parties seeking to find civil liability in a civil lawsuit.
We do a lot of defamation work where we represent people who have been sued for defamation. A lot of times what they've done is they've spoken out on matters of public interest, they've criticized government officials, and they've unfortunately been sued for it. We represent them in state courts and try and get their claims dismissed either at the motion to dismiss stage.
We're focused on making sure that folks aren't punished or tied up in litigation or subject to other government enforcement because of expressing their opinions, especially on matters of public concern.
We also represent people who have been retaliated against for their speech, whether it's by private people or maybe like the police or the government who have retaliated against them for the things they've said, sometimes online, sometimes in person.
We work with students only on civil litigations, one party versus another party. Usually what we're doing is pre-investigative work. We do some discovery where we exchange documents with the other side in litigation.
We try and make it so that the students get as much experience as possible writing, researching, working on negotiation skills with opposing counsel, learning how to counsel clients. Our clinic is designed to give students first chair experience, which means our students are going to be the ones who are standing up at trial. We had students who we took to trial and they were the ones who were making opening statements, examining witnesses, doing direct examinations, cross-examinations, giving closing arguments. We've had our cases covered in both local news as well as news like Forbes magazine and things like that.